What if I told you that Excel has been hiding an AI analyst inside it this whole time and almost nobody is using it? No ChatGPT, no plugins, no subscriptions. It's already sitting in your Excel right now. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. All right. So here's the data set we are working with today. It's a sales data set. We've got columns for region, product category, sales rep, monthly revenue, units sold, and return rate. Pretty standard stuff you'd see in any business. Now, normally, to get anything meaningful out of this, you'd be writing formulas, building pivot tables, maybe spending 30, 40 minutes just to figure out what's worth looking at. We're going to skip all of that. Here's how. Now, how to get this feature? So, anyway, in the home ribbon, just right click and click on Customize the ribbon. Now, by popular commands, click Now All Commands. Now, there are many features here. We'll scroll down and you'll find Analyze Data. Now we have to add analyze data to the home ribbon. So in order to do that, we have to create a new group in the home ribbon. So I'll click on new group. And after that, we'll add analyze data in this group, then click OK. Now you can see at the end of the home ribbon, you'll find analyze data. This is what we are going to be using today. Now you have to create a table. This is very important. So click anywhere inside your data, highlight, then press Control T. Excel will ask you to confirm the range and whether your table has headers. Just hit OK. That's it. Your data is now a proper Excel table. You'll notice it gets formatted automatically. That's Excel recognizing it as structured data, not just a bunch of cells. This one step unlocks everything we're about to do. Excel's AI needs your data to be in table format to work properly. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Let's click on Analyze Data in the home ribbon. A panel will open on the right side of your screen, and Excel is now going to go through your entire dataset and surface the most important insights automatically. Look at what it's pulling out. It's showing us which region is driving the most revenue, which product category has the highest return rate, how individual sales reps are performing relative to each other. It's even generating charts for you. These aren't random. Excel's AI is looking at patterns, outliers, and trends across the whole table and deciding what's actually worth your attention. And each insight comes with a ready-made chart or visualization that you can insert directly into your sheet with one click. One click. So if your manager walks in right now and asks, give me a summary of this data, you have it done in 2 minutes. Ask questions. But here's the part that most people don't even know. See that search bar at the top? You can actually ask it questions in plain English about your data. Watch this. I'll type, which sales rep had the highest revenue in the North region? Boom. It pulls the answer instantly and gives you a visual to go with it. Let me try another one. What is the average return rate by product category? There it is, a clean breakdown chart ready to insert. You can ask it things like, which month had the lowest sales? Show me revenue by region as a bar chart. What's the top performing product? You're essentially having a conversation with the data. No formulas, no pivot tables, just questions. And every answer it gives you, you can click Insert Chart and it drops straight into your worksheet. So your report basically builds itself as you ask questions. Think about what this means practically. Whether you're in sales, finance, HR, operations, any field where you're dealing with data in Excel, this feature cut your analysis time by half, minimum. You're not replacing your judgment, you're removing the grunt work so your judgment can focus on what actually matters. The decisions, not the digging. And the best part, this is built into Microsoft Excel. If you have Office 365 or Microsoft 365, you already have it. No extra cost, no download, no warning about credits like what AI tools normally offer. And that's it. That's the whole thing. If this saved you time or you learned something new, drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want more Excel tricks like this that actually change how you work, subscribe. I put out videos like this regularly. See you in the next one.